If you're between 18 and 25 years old, car insurance can be very expensive because insurance companies consider young drivers to be high risk due to limited driving experience. But the good news is that some companies consistently offer cheaper rates than others. In this video, we're going to look at 3 of the cheapest car insurance options for young drivers in 2026, with more details so you can choose the best one. The first option is State Farm. This is one of the cheapest insurance companies for young drivers, especially for those under 25. On average, minimum coverage can cost around $141 per month, and full coverage around $323 per month, which is lower than many competitors. One of the biggest advantages of State Farm is its discount programs, including good student discounts, safe driver programs, and savings if you bundle with other policies like renter's insurance. It also has a Drive Safe and Save program, which tracks your driving and can lower your premium if you drive responsibly. This makes it a great option if you want to reduce your cost over time. The second option is GEICO. Is well known for offering consistently low rates and strong discounts for young drivers. For example, average liability coverage for teens can be around $181 per month, making it one of the cheapest options after State Farm. GEICO also offers multiple ways to save money, such as good student discounts, defensive driving course discounts, and multi-vehicle discounts. Another advantage is that GEICO has a very easy online system, so you can get a quote, manage your policy, and file claims directly from the app without needing an agent. The third option is Progressive. Progressive is a strong option if you are a young driver looking for flexible pricing and tools to lower your rate. While its average cost can be slightly higher than State Farm or GEICO, it offers unique features like the Snapshot program, which tracks your driving habits and can significantly reduce your premium if you are a safe driver. Progressive is also a good choice for drivers who want full coverage at a competitive price, and it allows you to customize your policy more than many other insurers. In many cases, drivers who switch to Progressive can lower their rate by adjusting coverage and using discounts. So in summary, the cheapest car insurance options for young drivers in 2026 are State Farm, best overall cheapest rates and discounts. GEICO, great for discounts and easy online use. Progressive, best for flexible pricing and safe driving programs also. Keep in mind that your final price will depend on things like your location, driving record, type of car, and credit score. So it's always a good idea to compare quotes before choosing a company. And that's it. If this video helped you find cheaper car insurance as a young driver, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more finance and money tips.